Hi, this is David back here again with ScreenBeam one-take tips. So you've connected your ScreenBeam and you're using a Windows device. In this case, I'm using a Windows 10 laptop. It's a plain Windows 10 laptop, but I've also got it connected to a touch panel. So I've got it connected to a touch panel, and what that means is I've got the USB cord connected from my touch into the back of the ScreenBeam and not on my laptop. So one of the things I need to make sure if I'm utilizing the ScreenBeam that way is that I have this little checkbox checked. So you can see here when I hit Windows K again, Windows K, there's a little checkbox that says allow keyboard, mouse, pen, and touch input from the device. So that's super important if you want to utilize your touch screen while you've got the ScreenBeam connected. And so what that means is now that I've checked that box, I can go in here, I can open up my tools, I can utilize my whiteboard tools if I want to. And again, notice I'm not sitting at my screen, but the nice thing about this is this could be me standing in the back of the room controlling my device while a student is coming up to the screen and the student is interacting with the device that I still have control of. So being able to get out of the front of the classroom is what this is all about. So even when you're utilizing a touch screen, you don't have to be up there at the touch screen. You can have your students up here. They can be interacting with the screen while you're controlling what's happening in the rest of the class. So this is a super easy way to utilize it, and all you had to do with your Windows device is click that little checkbox, make sure your screen is a touch screen, so that's important, but it doesn't have to be all the software that you have in this. You can just be utilizing all the tools that you already have with you on your laptop. So utilize that. Again, your device can be used in any way you want to, but this is a great ScreenBeam one-take tip if you're utilizing a touchscreen in your classroom. Make sure you're taking full advantage of that setup. We'll see you next time.